Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make this no-cost or low-cost exquisite Easter craft. It's a primitive little bunny. You can make it yourself in no time. I think it might have taken me about an hour from start to finish. Here was my inspiration piece. I just looked up primitive bunnies online and this one kind of caught my eye. And so here we start out. We're going to do this on cardboard. And you'll be amazed how this turns out. So we draw our little bunny, drawing our little bunny on the cardboard here. Here's a close-up. You don't have to be perfect because you're going to paint this in. Just got to kind of get the shape you want. And then we pick out the paint, the color we want for the bunny. You can see by the lid, this is a house paint. It's an interior house paint. Picked out a white because I always have that. You probably do too. So I started painting the bunny. There were maybe a couple places I had to give it 2 coats, but I wasn't too concerned because it kind of just adds to the aged look if it has a little see-through color on there, and as you can see this one does. So now we get to start the fun part where we add our shadows and our details to the bunny. See, we brought out his legs and his little tail and his eyes there. Got him a little bunny nose. A few more shadows for the top of his forearm, bunny arm, whatever that is. And here we've got pretty much all the shadows we want for him. And he's looking like a bunny. I added, on this one I added like a beige color, just to give him a little more wear look. And then I always spatter things because it brings out the dimensions to him. Kind of makes him look three-dimensional. Then the hardest part is cutting this out of the cardboard. But I made it. I got him cut out. And as you can see, he's a bunny. He's a bunny now. But we're not done. We have to give him a little more. But you could be done at this point if you liked him just like this. But we're going to add some fancy stuff. I went out into the yard and I got these little twigs, and I already have Spanish moss, and if you do crafts you probably do too. I had some ribbon. That's why this is no cost. And he's almost done. He's almost done here. You can see he's got his ribbon and his Spanish moss. But as you can see, I painted some brown on him to look like the paint had been wore off in spots where somebody might have played with him. And now we're done. Thank you for watching. As always, please subscribe for more on YouTube now. That is very important. And you don't even have to watch any more videos. Just hit subscribe because YouTube counts the subscribers now. Thank you very much for your time, and come back soon.